Part 3! So, alright, one last thing I want to bring up. Hugs and tugs. There's some issues that they never addressed. For instance, they're perpetually infants. Now, they wear diapers. Okay, they wear diapers. Which would put them, in human terms, let's say around, at most, what, 3.5? But the way they talk, their personalities, they're around 5 or 6, maybe even 7 years old, right? The way they talk, because they're fully articulate. They're not stuttering or like the thing. They're just, oh, hey, Granny, can we go out to the park and like fuck around or something? They're fucking intelligent. So, they're 6-year-olds with diapers still on. And if you're old enough to say, I just shit in my pants, I gotta go change my diaper. If you're old enough to say, hey, my diaper needs changing, awkward, right? I mean, they're old. They can fully talk to people. They can have conversations. So they can go, I just shit myself. Anyone want to take care of this? Baby bear just shit himself. Not to mention, I mean, that's worse than those fucking Charmin bears when you think about it, with the little paper things on their fucking furry asses. Ugh. I mean, if you shit in a diaper, I mean, it gets everywhere, right? If you're an infant. But if you have a hairy ass crack and a hairy ass and you shit and it's a fucking pancake, that's a job, right? That's an ordeal to clean that shit up, I would imagine. It's fucking gross. They'd have to get a shower every time they shit themselves. And they're not potty trained, or if they were, why are they wearing fucking diapers? So, gross. The other thing, on their chesticles, their fucking chest icon things, I mean, it was like a moon and a sun in diapers, right? Wearing diapers. So let's say they do age, right? Let's say they get out of their own fucking diapers eventually, and they age, and let's say they're like 13. Awkward in fucking junior high and high school. Oh, hey, Tugs, hey, Hugs. So you still got a fucking moon wearing a diaper on your chest, and they're like, man, it's there. It's there. I can't get rid of it. It's there. Fuck off. Like, what can they do? It's there. It's part of their fur pattern. It's part of their skin. It's there. It's their symbol, right? You'll forever be the Care Bear with the fucking diaper sun and the diaper moon. You poor fucking kids. And what are you going to say? Like, what do you care? Like, there's Luck Bear, there's, Lion-O Bear, and Sports Bear, and Smart Bear, or something like that, and fucking Smurfette and shit. And anyway, and they're Hugs and Tugs, and they're the infant bears, even as they're growing up. Poor fucking schmucks. They must be. So yeah, that's all I wanted to really say about, Care Bears. Drive safe, and, yeah. That's my mama. Okay, we're done.